Hello everyone! Today is the new tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to copy the stealabrainrot game. You can see that everything works and it's a 100% copy of stealabrainrot. So, let's move on to the tutorial. When we open the Roblox website, we select our game. When we open the game page, right-click and select Inspect. Select Network in the top right corner. Next, we'll need to refresh the page. Once we've done that, look for our game's name in the right-hand panel. Right-click, select Copy, and then click Copy All as PowerShell. After that, go to our website, which is indicated in the description and comments, paste what we just copied, click Copy Game, and wait till loading end. Once everything is working, go to Downloads and open the downloaded file. Roblox Studio will open and you can have fun. Thank you all for watching this tutorial. I hope you're happy with everything and everything works for you. Please share this video with your friends. Goodbye everyone and see you soon.